Hi teachers. So now I'm making orange julius and hi friends. So I'm making orange julius. So it is healthy. So we did mash ice of orange.
And you need 1 cup, Mimi. So what? You're going to do
What
1
cup?
cup. 1 cup. So can you scoop it in this way? This is your
Oh,
measuring cup. 1 cup. Until this 1 cup is full.
Okay. Let's put this in. Oopsies. And now it's almost full. Okay, so now as you can see, I filled up 1 whole piece. So what do I do next? Ooh, that was fast. Okay, so when we're done this,
And now you need to do.
now
What's next?
Huh?
What's next? What did the recipe say? What's
1
next?
cup of frozen orange juice contains 1 cup of milk.
Okay, 1 cup of milk.
So put it in the sink. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Make sure this whole thing is filled. Now, as you can see, this is filled up with milk. Then we slowly sip it in. Okay, so now we know they're mashed in.
And then we need, what's the recipe say? What's next?
Okay, so now 1
half
tablespoon agave syrup.
Which one
So
is half
now
tablespoon?
we need to find number 1 and 2. This.
Okay.
Heidi, look at us.
Oh, Heather, we're videoing, please. Okay, pour yourself.
So now
Half
we
and put it in here.
going to make sure this is filled. Oh my, can you help me hold this?
Okay, mommy. Squeeze, okay?
Okay. Now as you can see, my mother helped me squeeze it in. Now we're going to pour it together.
Half, okay. Alright, put the spoon here back. Okay, what's next?
Gonna put this back.
What's next?
And then next it says half teaspoon of vanilla powder.
Okay, can you put the half teaspoon?
Half teaspoon
Take half.
vanilla powder.
Okay.
Okay, now we put it in together.
Okay. Now we stir.
Now we stir it all. It smells good.
Stir.
It smells like vanilla.
Looks good. Wow, we're doing it now. Okay.
Because it smells good.
Okay, I'm just gonna pour.
So now we're gonna pour it in.
And then,
We're gonna pour it.
and then you see whether it's sweet enough, okay?
Now we're gonna see whether
If
it's
not
sweet
sweet, we can
enough.
add more agave syrup. Can you taste? Is it sweet?
Oh,
Is it sweet?
very.
Okay, good job. We're done.